Dear user, thank you for choosing Mobilint's MLA100 low-profile PCIe card. Here's a quick guide to help you install and use the product safely. MLA100 low-profile is a PCIe AI accelerator card powered by Aries, an NPU optimized for deep learning performance. With top-tier efficiency and value, it's built for demanding on-premises applications like smart factories, smart cities, and AI servers. Here's how to install the product. First, open the package and check the product. The user manual is included at the bottom. Make sure to read it for safety. Turn off the power and unplug the power cord. Open the chassis. Discharge any static electricity from your body by touching the metal frame inside the powered-off system. Locate the PCIe slot in the motherboard. Handle the product by its edges to avoid contact with circuitry or the PCIe connector. Align the product with the PCIe 8-lane slot and press it down vertically and gently until you hear a click sound. Align the card bracket with the frame and secure it tightly with a screw. Double-check that the card is firmly seated in the slot. Once installed, close the PC chassis, reconnect the power cable, and turn the PC back on. Finally, check if the LED on the side of MLA100 is lit. Here are important safety precautions when using the MLA100 low-profile PCIe card. Do not connect or disconnect the product while the system is powered on. Always turn off the system completely before handling the device. Keep your hands, tools, or cables away from the fan while it is in operation. Ensure the fan has come to a complete stop before removing the product. Do not disassemble or modify the product without proper guidance. This may result in product damage, electric shock, or other unexpected hazards. Ensure that water or other liquids do not come in contact with the product, as this may cause serious damage. Do not touch the product with wet hands to prevent electric shock. Operating the product in environments with high humidity or insufficient ventilation may reduce its lifespan. Keep the product in its storage packaging box when not in use. Follow these precautions to ensure safe and proper use of the product. That concludes the installation guide for MLA100 low-profile PCIe card. If you need assistance, feel free to contact us using the information above. Thank you.